3 weeks ago, we settled below this significant channel bottom, 18-month channel bottom, roughly 378.05. It actually held nicely the April lows, and then we collapsed below it 3 weeks ago, setting off a long-term sell signal through the rest of the year, 3 to 5 month sell signal that anticipates 227.85 as a completed target. On the way down, I've been mentioning all along that we have more of a midterm support or a midterm objective. This was considered like a 3 to 5 week target at one point, but it all happened in 1 week on the bad earnings report from 3 weeks ago. We tested it pretty quickly. A 291.81, 296.35. 296.35 is the descending channel bottom that spans back to that early year low. I think this is January high. So this is an 8-month structure in itself, roughly, and it correlates pretty well with 291.81, which is really just a wave count. Takes you to 291.81. This is a solid bottom picking zone on a near-term basis. A 3 to 5 week counter trend rally is possible back to 378.05, and we're a week or two into it. Are we going to rally all the way back into the upper 370s? And the answer to that is yes, and I've been saying this all along, if we can get up and over this descending channel bottom that spans back to the May high. So this is like a 3-month channel structure that we gapped below in that Wednesday earnings report several weeks ago, and we've yet to actually test outright. So 350.03 can certainly play spoiler to a possible recovery rally into the upper 370s. 350.03 can contain buying for the week and even through the rest of August, perhaps. So if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you can anticipate the 350.03 channel bottom as an objective. You can unload a long position here and even reverse and play the short side into later August. Certainly, if we were to close above 350.03, we have a 1 to 2 week rally into the upper 370s where this market will test significant resistance, able to contain buying through the rest of the year, and from here we can fall away again. Ultimately, still anticipating 227.85. Unless we can get up and over this channel bottom again, I'm going to hold to that as a longer term target. The day itself, we've got 337.24 still. That is that April 26 low. That is an intraday resistance level. Can contain intraday, possibly daily highs. If we push through 337.24, we could within the day see 350.03. You could also say that closing Monday above 337.24 sets up a Tuesday test of 350.03. The downside today, I've got 318.29, simple 4-5 day channel bottom, intraday support. We could trade inside this 318.29 to 337.24 area all day long. These are solid day tradable levels. 318.29 support can contain intraday, possibly daily selling pressures. 337.24 resistance can contain intraday, possibly daily buying pressures. If we break 318.29 today, I would only anticipate 308.47. This is a solid level that can contain not only daily selling pressures, but we might even round out of here into later week. So if you're looking for an area to buy the market on weakness, day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders, where we could bottom out for more than a day, from here we could potentially round up to this 350.03 channel bottom over the following week or two. Once again, the low 350s remain a significant test for this market as we move through the rest of August. Closing below 308.47 clearly indicates a retest this week of 290 support. Please click like, share, subscribe.